The 30, 60, 90-day planning method breaks down big tasks into tiny pieces that can be easily completed. Ever heard the phrase, you eat an elephant one bite at a time? Well, 30, 60, 90-day planning is how you eat an elephant. This planning method works great with small teams that are working to implement big projects. It has a 90-day life cycle, but it can be extended in 30-day increments to meet your timeline needs. You will want to select the 30, 60, 90-day planning method when you are launching a new project or working towards a medium-term goal. While you may be tempted to use this tool to monitor ongoing work, it is really best applied to the planning and implementation processes for new initiatives. I'll share some planning tools in later videos. Let's take a look at the 30, 60, 90-day planning template. I always recommend starting your planning process by giving your project a title and a start and end date. It's also important to identify your team members and appoint a leader for the project. Documenting these at the top of your 30, 60, 90-day plan is an important step because it helps keep everyone on the same page. The rest of the template is pretty straightforward. Simply identify the tasks that you will complete within the 30, 60, or 90-day checkpoints. For each task, be sure to identify a point person who will be charged with carrying the task over the finish line. It's also helpful to identify your end product for each task. Ask yourself, what evidence will I have to tell me that this task has been completed? This template includes only 3 spaces for each of the time periods, but you can add or take away tasks as necessary to complete your project. At the end of your 90-day period, take some time to reflect on the work you've accomplished. Ask yourself what worked well and what didn't work. What did you learn? And what are your next steps? I always recommend documenting those thoughts right in your planning document. This will help you when you need to return to this project in the future, or when staff changes over and you need a little help remembering why you made a decision. In summary, the 30, 60, 90-day planning tool is a great instrument for small improvement planning teams seeking to implement a new project or working towards a medium-term goal. It is pretty straightforward and consists of identifying tasks, responsible parties, and outcomes that you can measure along a 90-day route to success. The next time you have a big project to tackle, turn to the 30, 60, 90-day planning tool to get your team headed in the right direction.